Today we'll be unboxing the BEMISO bath mat. This is a DIY bath mat that you can actually cut and customize. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. So this BEMISO bath mat, it has drain holes. It also has suctions underneath it. It is made out of safe TPE material for the floor mat. So this is really safe. This can be cut to a shape, so you can cut it. It has good anti-slip grip. So after I put the water on it and I've stuck it onto the bath mat, you can see that it's not slippery at all. It's great for babies, it's great for kids and toddlers and even seniors when they bathe. This material on it gives it a service life that is so much longer than other bath mats, and it's so easy to clean. So you have over 160 of these suction cups to keep the mat in place and keep it from slipping. These slot panels and the textured surface also has a good anti-skid performance that will make it a safe and comfortable mat, give you that safe and comfortable footing for the protection that you need against fall. And even when it touches the shower, it doesn't cause it to slip. So this is a great material to use. It has perfect draining system and it's also fashionable. I like the draining system because you can roll it up and stand it to the edge. Like when you want to quickly dry it up, you just roll it up like this. And then you can just stand it to the edge of your bathtub and it drains really quickly. It's very fashionable and it's very stylish, and gives you like that neutral color that will go with any house decor. This is absolutely beautiful and I love it.